look at those season or they pop up inside of the fritters. So nice, right? Guys, look how lovely this is. It tastes so freaking good. So good. Remember guys to subscribe, to tell a friend, to share, and remember, God is love. What's up guys? It's your girl Shakima, and we just did a live guys, and you know when you have one of those dish, you just eat it and you don't make enough and you start to crave again for more. This is it guys, cauliflower fried rice. So as you can see here, I have some broccoli, I have some garlic, some white onion, some red cabbage, some cauliflower because you can't have cauliflower rice without the cauliflower, some ginger, some scallion, some ketchup mayonnaise, and we also have some fried rice season, look at it guys, and some pink sauce. So over here we have a pot eating already, so I'm just going to add some onion to the pot with the broccoli because these things take longer to cook, so I'm adding them before I'm going to stir it. I'm going to leave that on low heat to saute.
My kid is bigger.
Okay, baby. Thank you.
Wow. Hey, look at the bigger. Look at the one down there.
What Spanish you talking? So now guys, we're going to add the cabbage and the ginger at the same time to the pot. We're going to add our fried rice seasoning to it.
Mommy.
We're going to stir it.
Let's get me here. My hair. Mommy.
Like that, and we're going to leave this saute for like 5 minutes. So guys, I have 2 eggs, so I'm just going to tip some pink salt, pinch a few drops of pink salt inside it, whisk it together, and then I'm going to pour it in this pot with a little bit of olive oil inside it to cook. I'm not going to cook it too much guys because I don't want it well done. I just want it just right, just as it done, to just take it on the fire, the heat. So you see, look how soft and fluffy these are. So I'm just going to turn off the heat and place it on the other side. Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to stir up my veggies like that. Leave that saute some more. Meanwhile that saute is in, guys. I'm going to chop some mushroom. You can put asparagus inside it. You can put snow peas, any type of vegetable you have on hand. You can put it in your fried rice. and I'm going to add it to the pot to saute with the other rest of veggies. Going to add a teaspoon of complete seasoning to the pot. Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to grate my cauliflower for my rice. Guys, if you never try cauliflower rice, trust me guys, you can never go wrong with this one. It's the bomb. It's the best. You will never go back to regular rice. You will go by the Chinese restaurant and you will ask them for fried cauliflower rice. The healthy one. This is the healthy version of rice. We're not going to do the hard part. This is too hard.
Mommy, it's Halloween.
It's Halloween? Okay, I come in.
Scary.
So this part, guys, you're going to throw away this part because it's too hard for the rice. And there you go. Look at that. Look how lovely this look, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. And it's going to be delicious as well. Okay, stir up my veggies because it's my business. You see, look how lovely that look, guys. Tell me. This is the inside my house. This is one of the meals you eat it, your belly is full, and you still want to go back to eat more. So now is the time, guys. I'm going to add my eggs. You don't have to use eggs if you don't want. If you want the cleaner version of it. But I'm putting some eggs in mine. See that? Then now guys, I'm going to add my cauliflower rice to it. And I'm just going to stir it in. Look at that fried rice, guys. Look how this fried rice looks. Look at that. Tell me now what you guys think. So guys, you can put soy sauce in yours if you want. But I'm going to use some ketchup mayonnaise in mine because I find it give it a better flavor. So I'm just going to add about a teaspoon of it inside it. And I'm just going to mix it around. Woo! Hallelujah! 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 Would like this make you sing? And I'm just going to leave it, guys, for 5 more minutes, and then I turn off the heat, and that's it. my fried rice.
Mommy, my tummy.
What happened to your tummy, boy?
My tummy hungry.
So right before it finished, guys, I'm going to add some dry parsley inside it. You can use the fresh one if you have, because fresh is best, but I don't have any of the fresh ones, so I'm using what I have. Whoa. Guys, you should have smell vision inside your house through the camera to smell this fried cauliflower rice. So as you can see, guys, it's finished. So I'm just going to take off the heat and I'm going to share it. This smells so good and it's so healthy. If you're diabetic, if you're vegan, take out the egg. Vegetarian, trying to eat healthy to lose weight, this is what you want to go after, to cook yourself up. And it's simple, fast and nice. Fried cauliflower rice. Trust me, you won't miss the rice in this dish. Remember to like, to share, to tell a friend, to hit that notification bell, and remember, God is love. Guys, wait, before I end this video, I forgot I did have to add the lemon juice to give it an extra kick. Let me add it now. So I just squeeze in half of a lemon inside my hand and I just drizzle it all over my cauliflower fried rice. That's it, guys.